Okay guys, finally dinner time. I'm hungry. So today for dinner, wild mushrooms. It's already here. Another one. Rossella. Great for frying. Potatoes. And a lamb shoulder chops. Oh, natural! Wow! Can you look at me? Is that a not natural lamb? Could be. Anyway, it's 2 bones. Oh, yummy! So I think it's hot. Some oil. And potatoes on the top. Once potato will be close to ready, I will add some wild mushrooms. Mushrooms getting ready, and soon we'll go with my potatoes to get ready, completely ready. And my chops. Lamb chop, waiting for its turn. Next step, lamb. Looks good. Yeah, I think it's a last step, mushrooms. That's it, all done. All done. What do you say, guys? Yeah, I think so. Today's simple camping dinner. Lamb, potatoes, wild mushrooms and red wine. Today's I don't drink white wine. I switched to red wine. It's my favorite, one of my favorite, Chianti. So, cheers, my friends. Tomorrow is a big day. Tomorrow I'll go fishing. So I hope I'm gonna get some, because I'm getting low on the fish at home, so I need to restock my supplies. Alright, where's my food?